You see how smart I am? I was making video for the E63, I upload the video and I forget completely the starter and the alternator. Never mind. Today it's Monday, August 25th, 2025. This is the starter and the alternator from the E63, the one with the wave track, the one with the camshafts over there and cam adjuster plates that I'm waiting for and so on. Alright. Now, I test the starter outside, okay, and it's working fine. It doesn't make any weird sound. The only thing is that this gear, it's retracting back, it's pulling it back inside, lazy. It's stuck, and then after a while, after you move the electricity, then it goes inside. And it doesn't feel smooth. It doesn't look like, alright? Now, what I'm gonna do, like any other time with the starter, I'm opening it, I'm cleaning it, check the brushes, that has plenty, it's supposed to have, alright? It's not on a carburetor engine that you have the choke, and then and if you're in a cold country and you have to crank it for a couple of seconds, the brushes, they say goodbye. Not on the modern cars, especially on direct injection. This is not direct injection, I'm just saying. They're not suffering, the brushes of the starter. Then, nothing. That's one thing for the starter, alright? Second thing, alternator. Alternator, once again, brushes and the two bearings. The alternator is working fine. It didn't have any fault, the car. Alright. The pulley is turning. Okay, almost true. No worries, no problem about that. It does have a supercharger after all, and it's not way off. It's minor. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Let me start from the starter. Yeah. Let me crank it. This just washing, greasing it up again, closing it again, make one test, everybody happy, outside. This one, bearings, for peace of mind. They're not expensive, the bearings after all. And then we see the voltage regulator because the brushes are attached to the voltage regulator. It's 180 amperes, classic. No, it's not, it's 220. The E63 has 220. I was looking, I don't remember which alternator it's 220 on the M156, and I was willing now to say it's 180 amperes. No, it's not, it's 220 amperes. So that means the E63 with M156 engine, 2010, it has the 220 ampere alternator. Dang it, at least you can take it and you can put it on an M156 on the 204, on the C63. My mind. Okay, good thing to know. That's the part number here. This is the Mercedes part number, and this is supposed to be the Bosch part number. Alright. From England, Great Britain. Let me talk to Omar also, to give him also these informations, to know in the future. He was looking for alternator 220, and I was thinking it was from SLS, and I was saying bullshit what I was saying. It was not from LSS. Yeah, never mind. Alright. Plenty of meat on the brushes. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with the brushes. Everything looks okay. The rotor looks fine. Stator, it's with the magnets. Okay, it's a bit dirty. I'm gonna clean it, obviously. The fork, it's not broken by any means. Plastic fork. The solenoid was working fine. Just only it has enough tension to make it back. Just most probably from the sludge and from all these things. That's why it had delay. There is no grease, there is nothing here inside, completely dry. And the needle bearings, like any other time. Let's fix that, right? Let's fix that. Don't be like that. Let's clean it. The boost there inside, I need to check it. This comes here inside, and I want to see, no, it doesn't have a step, the axle. It's supposed to be fine. And then I have to check the needle bearing that's located here inside. It has some lubrication on this one. Nice. Alright. Washing the starter, putting it together, and give it to the guys. Alright, let's check the starter. By the way, there was not a broken plastic pieces inside or something. I just cleaned it inside. I didn't spend too much time from outside. I greased up again. Let's test it. Mr. Derek, point there at the starter. Here, where's the gear? Alright, 1 second, Mr. Joe. Just a second to be ready from this side. Dang it. Keep it there. You can see it, right?
Yep.
Okay, because I don't want to arc here. Yeah, alright. Connect it, yep. Release. Again. Release. Again. Release. Alright, fine. Before you see the delay that had to retract
before, yes.
it had before, but now it's better. Make it once again. Release. It has one small delay to retract the gear.
To go back, yeah.
But it was not making a sound like it was spinning all the time, right?
Yeah.
Alright. As soon as the brushes are okay inside, as soon as the brushes are okay, the starter is active and makes the move the solenoid. Only to retract it, it's a little bit slow. Now I'm gonna use it. There's nothing wrong. You can get the grease. No need the grease anymore for the alternator. Okay, so I'm leaving the starter here. Alright guys, you can put the game back in when you finish from here. Looks nice, not bad. Time for the alternator. Let's take it apart. Alright, if I judge from the rotor, see the step that has the rotor. You see this slip? This is supposed to be smooth. Alright, then let's take it out, the voltage regulator with the brushes, to see how does it looks like. Dang it, with one hand. Alright. And see the step. There is a big step here. Yep, there is a big step. Yeah, I'm talking about from here to here, and from here to here. Doesn't have enough life, this rotor. Some people, they fix it, they remove this and they put, you have to take it apart, obviously. Is it worth it? Brushes, rotor and bearings? Or it's worth to get a Bosu and finish the story? Never mind, it's not my call. Let me continue taking it apart. Now we can see it more clear. Okay, here it's 11.52 and here it's 13.4. This is how to start. And here, where I'm pointing, there, so second, 11.55, there, and there, 13.47. Let's put it here again. Alright. Yeah, small difference. I mean, yeah, the rotor, it's, I mean, officially, I haven't seen more wear on a rotor than this. Alright, it's all up to the customer. Let me upload the video to see and to tell us what to do. You want me to clean it to put it back? I'm not gonna put a new brushes on this rotor, but that's me. So either I'm gonna close it back as it was because it was running, and we're gonna continue running as soon as it has brushes and as soon as the contacts here are still there. Okay. Either we're gonna put back or we're gonna get a Boss one or whatever. It's up to the owner. That's it for now. Thank you. Over and out. I'm gonna pause now this, like I said, until I get an answer. I'm gonna continue with some other stuff that I have.